Hello, Saber fans. This is Professor in here, and there's been a lot of confusion about how to use Zadig and to set up the drivers to make the ports work. So I thought I'd walk through a little bit and show you how it should work, how it shouldn't work, and how to fix it when it doesn't work right. So on this computer, things are currently configured the right way. That means that if I go and look in here, I can see my Proffieboard under ports. And we can go check the drivers for that. Now, the Windows 10 settings dialogues, they don't really do a good job. So I prefer to use either device manager or actually we have the old settings dialogues. Now what are they called? They're called printers and no. We need it's called a panel something. Control panel. Like this old thing has actually a better, it has the device manager for one thing, but the devices and printers actually shows things better than the Windows 10 version of this dialog. So we see the Proffieboard showing up here, and if we click on it, it'll bring up this dialog, and we can click on the hardware. We see that the serial device is here like it's supposed to. So this particular Proffieboard is programmed only for serial. It doesn't have a drive or a WinUSB. In that case, they would show up here as well, because this is a composite device, so it would have multiple things listed here. And so this serial device, we can click properties, and we can look at all the device settings, like the driver details, and here we see that it has the USB serial driver that it's supposed to have for everything to work. So this just works. Like if I disconnect this and reconnect it, everything just works. But a fairly common mistake that people make is that they run Zadig and they pick the Proffieboard and they're like, yes, this is going to work. And then it doesn't, because they think they can fix the port with Zadig. So like they go in here and they go, where is it? And it's actually not the Proffieboard, I guess. It's the serial, because this is actually the Proffieboard serial interface. And like if I screw this up somehow, I can set this to WinUSB and I can replace the driver. And it's going to install the driver for me. And I don't know exactly why people do this, but I've seen it multiple times. And I think what happens is that either people do this, or maybe there's some other program that does it for them. And then once it's screwed up, it's actually really hard to either fix or to remember that you've done this and make it work, right? So this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would, but it installed it. So now it's like, oh yeah, I'm using the right driver now, right? If we start up Arduino now, I don't think it's going to work anymore, because port is grayed out. We don't have a port. So if we go back and look at the control panel, now we can look at devices and printers. And where is my Proffieboard is still here, and everything looks kind of reasonable, except it just says serial here now. It doesn't say COM8 or anything like that. So if we click on this thing, we can check the driver. Oh, it says WDI. That's not right. Oh, and here, WinUSB. This is not right. So what do we do? Well, we need to uninstall this thing. And I think I can just remove this device here. Yes. Remove this device. Poof. Okay. It came back. Well, but did it come back right? No, I don't think it did. It's still the same thing. So I think now I can go look up the right directions for doing this, or I can try to figure it out myself. Probably I should look up directions, but you know, this is me we're talking about. So I'm gonna go to, if I remember correctly, the way to do this is to find the device manager. Now I gotta find the Proffieboard in here. It should be under here somewhere, I suppose. Serial. I think that's it. I think this is the thing that's wrong. So uninstall device. And not sure if I should be deleting the driver for it. I think maybe I should, because it shows up the same. So uninstall device, delete the driver software with this. This sounds super scary. I'm going to do it anyways. Now, is it going to re-find everything in here? I have a Proffieboard here again. What did it do? Oh, it showed up. So, properties, what do I see? Port settings. Oh, that looks good. Driver, Microsoft, driver details, USB serial. Looking good. Does it show up again? Let's go open Arduino. Tools, port, and there it is. So this happens a lot, and I hope this can help somebody fix it, because I get a lot of questions about this. So thank you very much, and hope this helps.